Hashidele, everyone. Today I would like to share with you from the King of Glorious Sutras called the Exalted Sublime Golden Light. We are still in chapter 2, the chapter on the lifespan of the Tathagata. And this is the fourth part, 8 verses of explanation on the lifespan of Tathagata Sakyamuni by the Four Directions Tathagatas. Tadyata om dare dare bandare svaha. 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 Dene dejin shekpa de dak gitam chedang den pe cordela. Chom den de shakya tu pe kutse se shepa sik suche de dorka selpa. Gyatso chunam tan sheki tikpa dak nidra wang nu. Shakya tu pe kutse tse sukyang drang war minu so. Rirab nam nitam shekyang trarab duldu drang war nu. Shakya tu pe kutse tse sukyang drang war minu so. Salagang dakyo pai rabtu tradu jine pa damche drang war nu sikyi gelwe kutse seminu gelte ale nam kala Nagajigi pakdo kyang shakya tu pe kutse tse sukyan drang war minu so. Zokpe sangye di si juk kelpa dak ni di nye chik. Kelpa jewa gyadak che drang ni nye par mirung o. Dang chir de yi gyu dang ni, ken yang nam pa ni yin te, dik pe se wa pang pa dang, ka ze mang po jin pa te. De chir dak ni chen po de, ku se drang ni nye do. Kelpa di nye chik je am, drang me payang de jinte. Dewe te son me par gyur, te son chung ze mazashik, gelwe kutse tamayi, drang ni gang du mi so. May whatever merit is generated by the recitation of these verses be dedicated to the awakening of all sentient beings. May any mistakes in the definite sounds, letters, and words of this sutra be forgiven by the Buddhas, Bodhisattvas, and the Great Goddess Sarasvati. May the 4 heavenly kings uphold their commitments to the Tathagata, that the Sutra of Golden Light may last long in Jambudvīpa to benefit sentient beings. Please like and subscribe if you rejoice in this sutra recitation and would like more Dharma videos like this. I hope to recite the entire Sutra of Golden Light slowly over time, and will try to release new recitations every sok and sojam.